Would you like to explore 15 effective ways to make money with Canva that are proven to work while discovering some hidden features of Canva along the way? That's the exciting challenge I've taken upon myself today, so let's dive right in. Number 15. Generate quiz videos. Let me show you how easy it is to create a quiz videos using Canva. With a simple search, you'll find numerous templates perfect for generating engaging quiz videos. These videos can be a lucrative source of income through affiliate commissions. Take, for instance, a TikTok account focused on niche quiz videos for English learners, which has gained over 100,000 followers in just 2 months. By leveraging Canva's templates and swapping graphics and questions, creating these videos becomes a breeze. Number 14. Create and sell brand identity kits. Brand identity kits are in demand among businesses, yet often overlooked by freelance designers. Canva offers a plethora of templates for creating brand identity kits quickly and efficiently. Additionally, Canva's AI-generated color palettes simplify the process further, allowing designers to match brand aesthetics effortlessly. Number 13. Create list pins for Pinterest. List pins are highly effective in driving affiliate commissions on Pinterest. These visually engaging pins attract users' attention and lead them to blog pages with affiliate links. Canva provides the tools to design captivating list pins, enabling creators to monetize their Pinterest presence effectively. Number 12. Start a clothing store. Canva's vast library of graphics simplifies the process of designing t-shirts and other apparel. By utilizing Canva's templates, designers can create unique designs to sell on various platforms, including print-on-demand marketplaces and online stores. Number 11. Generate quote videos. Quote videos are currently trending on platforms like TikTok. Canva offers pre-built video templates ideal for crafting engaging quote videos swiftly. With the help of Canva, creators can easily customize these templates and monetize their content through ad programs. Number 10. Create and sell printable wall art. Canva's extensive collection of poster templates makes it easy to design printable wall art for platforms like Etsy. By leveraging Canva's export features, creators can ensure high-quality prints of their designs, maximizing their earning potential. Number 9. Create and sell pitch deck presentations. Startups often require pitch deck presentations to attract investors, presenting a lucrative opportunity for freelance designers. Canva's pre-made templates and built-in GraphMaker streamline the process of creating visually appealing pitch decks. Number 8. Create and sell candles. Canva's typography tools and extensive graphic library enable designers to create eye-catching candle labels effortlessly. By leveraging print-on-demand platforms, creators can sell custom candles with unique designs, tapping into a profitable market. Number 7. Generate this or that videos. This or that videos are highly engaging and popular across platforms like YouTube and TikTok. With Canva's graphics and video editing capabilities, creators can quickly produce captivating this or that videos to monetize through ad programs. Number 6. Create and sell mugs. Canva offers a wide range of templates for designing custom mugs, which can be sold on various platforms, including Etsy and eBay. Print-on-demand apps simplify the production process, allowing creators to maximize their sales potential. Number 5. Create and sell self-care printables. Self-care printables, such as planners and journals, are in high demand on platforms like Etsy. Canva provides templates that creators can customize to offer unique self-care products, catering to niche markets. Number 4. Create and sell custom products. Canva's export features enable creators to quickly generate custom designs for products like t-shirts and mugs. By saving templates and customizing them for each order, creators can efficiently produce personalized products for their customers. Number 3. Create and sell classroom lessons. Canva's school lesson slide templates are invaluable resources for educators looking to monetize their teaching materials. Platforms like Teachers Pay provide a marketplace for selling classroom resources, presenting a niche opportunity for educators. Number 2. Create and sell patterns. Canva's magic recommendation feature and grid tool expedites the process of creating seamless patterns for products like phone cases. By leveraging these features, creators can design visually appealing patterns to sell on platforms like Etsy and Redbubble. Number 1. Create how-to pins. How-to pins are popular on Pinterest and can drive significant affiliate commissions through blog posts. Canva offers templates for designing attention-grabbing how-to pins, allowing creators to monetize their content effectively. Thank you for exploring these exciting ways to make money with Canva. If you enjoyed this video and found the information valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Give this video a like if you found it helpful, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback fuels our creativity and helps us bring you more valuable insights. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and strategies to elevate your Canva game and boost your income. Until next time, happy designing.